Today's video is sponsored by HelloFresh.
So welcome back, everyone. We got Mike here, got Melissa here, and Supervisor Ty. Say hi, Ty. He's checking things out. He doesn't want us standing around. He wants to see machines running.
That's right.
But if you didn't see the last video, what this is just a conduit for future public water. So what I did, I put this big sweep on it here at the end. Eventually, once we hook into it and run the water line through it, I'll just dig this back up and cut that out. But I have no idea when that will be. But what I wanted to do is get this in and run into the building, because this is going to be a driveway right here. So I want to be able to stone all this and get that all done. Then later on, I won't have to dig this all back up. So we got that in and came out perfect. I'm going to start backfilling this. And then we will grade all this up right here and probably even start spreading some stone this evening, because this nice weather isn't going to last. Huh, Melissa? It has been nice. I mean, it's a little overcast right now, but we've had sun for 3 days. But
yeah. In the mornings, it is so great to open up the curtains and the blinds and look outside, and I go out with the dogs and I come running back in to grab my coat.
Yeah, it looks beautiful out the window.
Yeah, on our story I added a picture yesterday with the temperature and today with the temperature. And today, this morning's picture was 21 degrees.
Yeah, when I left for work,
it was beautiful, but very cold.
Yeah, at least the wind has died down. It was real windy the last couple of days.
Yeah.
But before Ty gets ticked off over there, I'm going to fire up the machine.
Oh, he loves that.
And we'll start backfilling this.
Sounds good.
All right, I got my ditch all backfilled, and then I took a little bit of that excess material right out in there, so I'll really be able to make a nice wide turn around the building. I just put the land plane on the tractor. I'm going to smooth all this up, and we'll roll some more of that geotextile out. I'll probably just stay towards the building right now. I need to roll this in pretty good, and then we'll start spreading some more stone. So I mentioned earlier in the video that it was sponsored by HelloFresh, and we want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. They have been a fantastic partner to our channel.
Yes, thank you.
Before we partner with any companies, we vet them thoroughly, and HelloFresh is a home run. What I like most about their food is it is absolutely delicious, and I don't have to go anywhere and buy anything because Melissa doesn't have a certain ingredient for dinner.
I'm famous for that.
Well, matter of fact, we just got another package today that we bought on our own. We probably have it about 3 nights a week now, and everybody in the family loves it. Eva is the most finicky eater that we have. She likes it. Hunter loves it. Ty loves it. You love it, Ty?
Show them.
Show them. This is what we had last night. How's preparation, Melissa?
It's easy. Everything's measured. It's set up right there. I don't have to scramble and, you know, if this store's closed, and, you know, go ask a neighbor if they...
Yeah, Jeannie. Neighbor Jeannie's been our go-to whenever we're missing something. But,
so true.
But anyway, once again, I want to thank HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video, and there will be a link in the description. Go to HelloFresh.com and use my code OUTDOORS12 to get 12 free meals, including free shipping. 1, 2. Something else that I like to do, I like to stay in the habit of doing, is like cleaning this land plane off, because I've been moving dirt with it, and now I'm going to be moving stone with it. And like, you know, you get little piles of dirt down in the corners on the cutting edge and stuff. You might as well get that stuff off, because if you don't, it'll come off on your stone. It's kind of like at work. When I used to build well pads, now I just hire contractors to build well pads. But I'd always have like a clean dozer and a dirty dozer when you get towards the end of the job. And once you'd start stoning the pad, the clean dozer would stay on the stone, and the dirty dozer would like work on dressing up slopes and stuff like that. And I don't get it all off, just get some of the heavy stuff off. There's no sense getting mud on your stone. You know how I hate mud.
Got down on one knee, 11, 12, 11, and her tears welled up, and her heart jumped to heaven. It was supposed to rain, but there's clear skies today. She was a rare gem, Romanian descent. He was a good man, gave her every compliment she deserved. Yeah, he treated her like a queen. He said, come with me, my darling beauty. Let's spend our lives together, and I love you always, through every doorway. Beaches and sunshine cities, moonlight I will. Well, it couldn't have been more perfect than this. Their emotions world in bliss like a wave built from the center of the sea. In the evening, they came home in shock. They had spoken what they always thought was a boundless love from the start. She said, come with me, my darling, love to be. Let's spend our lives together, and I'll love you always through every doorway, beaches and sunshine city.
All right, this is by no means done, but I'm sure you can tell what it's going to look like. And by the way, I'm not getting real close to the building yet because I'm going to be starting to install that 3-inch foam board on the inside. It goes down 16 inches, so I'm going to have to do some digging, and a little bit of this dirt will fall in. So what I'll do, I'll put that foam board in, backfill on the inside, backfill on the outside, kind of at the same time. But things are really starting to come together. I'll end up putting this fabric, you know, way out here. This will be real nice and wide. I could even, you know, like park my dump trailer over here. The way I envision this looking is where these power roots are, you know, have a nice, that'll all be landscape, maybe some boulders, and plant some like 5 or 6 foot white pine, or maybe even hemlock, we'll see. But plant some trees right out there, be nice. So this evening is a great example of how the time change benefits me. I got home right at 5 o'clock. Everything you saw in this video I got done this evening, and it's probably about 20 after 7 right now. It literally doubles what I can get done in a day outside. But anyway, I think that's it for today's video. Things are starting to happen pretty quick here on the building. Now, if the weather does change, we're good. I have plenty of work to do on the inside. But before I wrap this video up, I want to thank HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video.
Yes, thank you.
And don't forget to check out Melissa's channel, Morgan's Off the Leash.
You'll be entertained.
And like I always say, if you enjoyed these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.